I'm Richard Deacon, Senior Marketo Strategist at R2I. In today's topic, we're going to talk about lead scoring. Lead scoring is commonly known amongst all marketers, but it's not something that's easily distributed or implemented across multiple platforms. The idea we have here is trying to find out what's the best use for your business. It's also something that we know isn't widely used. It's only used about 21% in the industry. So let's talk about 4 key topics of lead scoring. Lead scoring can vary multiple ways on how it's applied, but basically you need to know that it's applying different interactive points based on different actions by your customer. Now that can range in different ways and there's different scoring models, and we'll touch on that in a second. But just know it's a simple model of tracking your customers and assigning them a value based on those activities. Lead scoring is important to know where your customers are in their journey, and that's going to vary per business and per instance. There's no one size fits all with lead scoring. So what we have to do is come up with a model and apply it. And it's always going to be something that you're adjusting and tweaking, but it's important to know where your customers are. If they're not responding, they're responding, we can assign scores to all those values and to get a better overall picture of their activity or inactivity within a system. Every business is unique, and customers need to be scored that way. There's different ways to score customers. You can do lead points where you're coming in with inactivity. There's personality traits, there's fit and pain points. The key is knowing your customer and how they're going to proceed through your funnel. There's no one size fits all, and it's important to know what your customer is doing and come up with a business goal and a scoring model to meet that demand. As we had mentioned with knowing your customer, the point systems can vary. The key with the point system is knowing that you're going to have positive and negative results. Positive interactions might be they opened it up an email or filled out a form or gave you advanced information on a website or actually just visited the website. Negative connotations on points would be something that they haven't been active over a course of time. Maybe they haven't interacted with the website in 3 months or haven't opened an email in 2 months. We want to make sure we know where they are in the journey. So it's important to set up a custom lead point system. And like I said before, this varies per customer and per business. So you want to make sure it matches your customer and your business model. So the final note on lead scoring is it's something that is customized to your business. I can't give you a one size fits all. And that's why I think only 21% of businesses actually apply this, because it does get confusing. Not that it's that technically difficult, but it takes you knowing your business and knowing how to apply those points to get the customer through the funnel and onto the other side through conversion. It's also something that's not a set it and forget it. Lead scoring needs to be something that you're constantly monitoring and watching so you know how your customers are performing. Maybe you're scoring too high on form interactions or too low on web visits or web interactions. It's all part of the journey, and knowing what gets the customer to convert is key. So that lead point system won't be set in time. It's going to be something that you're going to have to continually tweak and work through to get to the proper lead scoring model that's going to work for your business. And once again, I'm Richard Deacon, Senior Marketo Strategist for R2I. Happy marketing automation.